Hi everyone, this is Rajiv, and today I have brought you another utility which can save a lot of time and help you organize the course exit survey forms which we are supposed to roll out to the students after every module ends or any course finishes. This is part of the academic documentation which we have to do under IQAC, and also this data is important for completing the CO attainment. So in the CO attainment, there is an indirect attainment part which comes from the student exit surveys, and this is a manual process of rolling out the assigned forms to them. Individual faculty members usually create these forms and roll out to them. Now, I was just wondering how many forms per semester we'll have to roll out. And I estimated that since we teach average 25 courses per department, if I multiply it with 6, then that gives me around 150 plus forms every semester which needs to be rolled out to the students. Now, if I look at the entire university, there are 6 constituent colleges, and approx I guess 500 plus forms needs to be rolled out every semester, and that makes it a lot of forms. Now, chances of manual error is always there, but at least we can save time and also reduce the manual error. These are the two primary benefits of the automation I have created. But the most important part is that the difficulty to track the forms after rolling out is also a hassle, because individual peoples are not going to be able to maintain that record across semesters. So this is the solution I have: a Google Sheet based automation tool which allows you to simply put the information and generate the forms in seconds, literally seconds. Let me give you a demonstration. So here I have the tool already open and the data is pre-filled here. Let me just click on generate form to show you how magical it is, and then I'll show you the entire demonstration in detail, how you can input the data and generate the form and then access the form. So you saw, it happened. It took less than 10 seconds to generate the form, and I have the URL where I can simply click and look at the form, and it's ready to be rolled out. Let me quickly build another form for you. So let's say that I'm teaching a couple of subjects. For one, I have already done it, and I'm also doing typography. So all I have to do is just copy paste the information from here and fill out this form. But before I do so, let me just close it and then show you how to get that form in your interface. So I'll be sharing the link of this file which you can use to look at it, and then click on make copy to make a version of it, and then use this utility which I have created. Click on the course exit form. Usually you don't have this option in the Google Sheets. This is an additional options which is coming from the app script behind the screen. Now you click on generate form, wait for a while, and then you get this form where you can fill in the information. So typography, this is academic year 25-26. It's a third semester subject and it's a UG program. And I have a total of 4 COs here. I can increase or decrease the number as well. So I'll stick to the 4 and then copy, paste. Now at the time we have total 4 COs for practical, and for theory we have 5. I have just added one more because some of the legacy courses we are teaching at the time have 6 COs, but not more than that. And I'm also not sure whether other colleges have 6 or more than that, but I believe 6 is the optimal number of COs a course should have. By the way, after filling up the form, all you have to do is just generate form. That's it. Wait for a while, and notice here the status will change. It says generating form for typography, so the correct data is fed into it and it has generated this form. And I'll show you both the URLs that they are different forms. So here is the form for presentation skills, and here is the form for typography. You can go through the questions also. Here the CO is different. then this one, and all the COs are exactly the same as we have inputted in the field, and you can verify the same here as well. Saves you a lot of time, reduces manual error, and also at the same time gives you an interface where you can organize all the forms which has been rolled out. Now the question comes, how do I check the responses? So in front of the view URL you have edit URL as well. You hover on top of that and click, and also the benefit is that the form is already in the published state, so you can simply just copy this link and then share it, or otherwise come here in the edit mode and click on published and copy the responder links from here. These two are the same thing. Now if you go to the responses, here you will receive all the student responses, and you can click on link to seats, and this is going to give you a Google Sheets where all the responses are going to be listed for you to just copy and paste it in the indirect section in the CO attainment sheet. So that's pretty much it. I'll be sharing you the link in the description. All you have to do is just click on this make copy button. Let me show you what happens if you click on make copy. You hover on top of it and then click here. Just clicking here won't work. Hover and then click on this link. That's gonna load up this form, and this warning can be ignored. It is simply telling you that there is an app script attached to this file which is completely safe, so you can simply click on make a copy. It may take a while because it's not just copying the content but also the scripts which are there inside it, and once it is ready you will exactly see the same thing which I have. I'm going to reset the form by deleting all the data and then share it with you, and you can use it. Now if you click on exit form and generate form, for the first run it will ask for the authorization, so please go ahead, nothing to worry about. Authorize it to run the script from your account and select all and then give all the access. The form will load. Sometime what may happen that after you authorize nothing will show up, then once again you have to do it for the one time authorization, and then just go back again and then click on generate form and then repeat the process I have already showed you. Guys, if this is helpful and this saves your time and reduces your manual effort to create the form and manage it, please share your feedback, share your suggestions, and you can also share ideas where you need more such kind of tools, and I would love to work on it and then share if I get something successfully built. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this works out well for you. Thank you so much.